In this video tutorial, we are going to generate a signed APK. We are going to build a signed APK to publish it on Google Play Store. So how you can create a signed APK? You just need to go to build and then go to generate signed APK. And here are two options, Android App Bundle and Android APK. So you can go with Android App Bundle if you are going to publish it on your Google Play Store. And the main difference between these two that an APK is directly installable on your device without publishing, even without publishing on Google Play Store. But if you use this Android App Bundle, you cannot install it directly. You must have to publish it on Google Play Store and then you can install it on your device. Okay, I'm using right now APK. Just click next. Here it requires me key store path. Key store path is the authentication file. So right now I don't have any file. So if you have another file, already have a file, you just need to select it by clicking on choosing existing, but I don't have right now, and that's why I'm going to create a new. Just click on create new, and I need to select a path where I'm going to store it. So I'm just going to select a path. So I'm just going to select a path for this file to save. So where it will be saved, let me select one of them path, like format attachments, and yeah, I just select a path and I'm just going to give it a name. Name will be like you can give it a name anything you want. I'm just going for key store, okay, key store, and just click on OK, and our path is selected. And I need to give a password, so I'm giving it a password. You can give it password anything you want. So right now I'm just giving it a password and confirm that password. Okay, and in the alias you just need to give it alias. So I'm just giving it alias as alias. Okay, and also the key password is, okay, confirm that password. Okay, set a password and confirm it. And after this you just need to select the how many years this key store will be valid. Okay, so these are validity years. I'm using this 25 years, so this key store will be valid for 25 years. Okay, and here it requires some certificate information, so first and last name. So I'm just right now giving it Android. You can give it your name. Okay, I'm just for testing purpose, that's why I'm using Android. Everything is Android. Okay, you can type the organization name of yours and city locally and state province, but I'm just using Android just for testing because I don't want to disclose my information. Okay, that's why I'm giving everywhere Android. So click OK after putting your information. So I just click OK. So I'm just click on remember my password and just click next. And here you need to select one of the debug APK or release APK. I just need to click on release because I want to create a release APK. Okay, just click on release and then V1 jar signature, tick this also, V2 full APK signature, and just finish. Okay, the Gradle is building right now and it will take time to build your signed APK. You can also call it release APK. And it will definitely takes time to build. And if it is not working, if it is not building completing, and if there are some sort of error, so what you need to do, I'm just going to cancel this. Okay, I'm just click on this cancel button because I remember that I'm using this first time. This is my brand new application, so that's why I need to do some more settings. Okay, so for that what I need to do, I just need to go to my file and then just need to go to my project structure. Okay, and inside the project structure click on module. Okay, and after this you just need to come to your signing configuration, signing config. Okay, inside the module app and signing config. So here is only a debug signing configuration is available. We need to create a release, so you just need to click on this add and just type here release. Okay, and just hit OK. And inside this release we just need to add these informations that I just have created, like a store file. So I just need to click on this choose file icon and I'm just going to this place where I have saved my key store file a few minutes ago. So I just need to go to that place where I have saved my key store file, and let me select that. Okay, so here we are in the downloads. So here is my keystore.jks file. I'm just going to select this key store I just have created in this video at the beginning. Okay, and the store password is required, so I'm going to give it my store password, which was Android, and key alias, so that was alias, and the key password was also Android. Okay, I just put my information regarding my key store and just hit apply. Okay, and then just hit OK. Gradle is building, and after doing that, we just need to come to our Gradle scripts and again go to a build.gradle module app, double click on it, and here what we need to do, we need to check that signing configuration is added or not. So here it is added successfully right now, signing config, release, and this is our key store address, our password and key alias. Just check it if it is available here, then this is done. And now we are going to create our Build Signed APK. So just click on it, APK, just next. All the information is already available here. Just click next, and now this time select this release and just click on finish. So it is building right now, and we just need to wait here unless it is built successfully. Okay, here is our generated signed APK, and it is built after 4 minutes and 11 seconds, and at the first time it takes a lot of time, so remember this. Okay, so when you click on this notification, you will see here a locate option. When you click on this locate, it will show you where is your release APK, okay, inside this Explorer. Okay, so you can use this release APK and you can upload this on your Google Play Store. So that is this.